She's gonna stab her sister.
Holy cow.
Nice. Nice.
You like that card?
I want to hold this.
Say, happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Love you.
Why don't you give Kelsey a kiss, too?
Want to give Kelsey a smooch? Good one. Kelsey just learned the hot dog dance, didn't she? Did you show her? How does Minnie do it?
Just woke her up.
Show her how Minnie does it. Do you want to open the card so we can hear the music?
No, I'm dancing now. Oh, holy cow.
Good one. How does Minnie do it?
That's how every Mickey Mouse Club ends.